here live with Leon Speakers, InfoComm 2014, and I'm Mike Fensel, Commercial Sales and Marketing Director. I'm going to take you on a brief tour around our booth and show you what it means to work with Leon, the designer and manufacturer of custom-tailored audio solutions for any commercial environment. As we get underway here, we're going to take a look at a few products, and I'm going to introduce you to a few of our team members. The first we'll begin with is our Senior Industrial Designer, Rob Weissy. Rob, would you please join us?
How's it going, Mike? Good to see you again.
Rob, thank you. Good to see you as well. I wondered if you could just take people through a quick look at the Horizon Interactive and tell them why we came up with this and what's the intent behind the design.
Sure. So today I want to talk to you a little bit about the Horizon Interactive 500 series speakers by Leon Speakers. Directly next to me here is an example of our HI500. This speaker we showcased here at InfoComm nearly 10 years ago. It was a little bit ahead of its time at that time as video conferencing was changing into telepresence and the cameras were getting smaller and the architecture and the understanding of those spaces was changing. We realized that this is a great opportunity to develop a product where we're integrating the camera directly inside a stereo LR system. Leon has always been a video-centric company, pairing the audio with the video source, which we call direct source audio or DSA. In a lot of these environments, systems are built on distributed audio that's placed in ceilings and the surrounding areas, which doesn't necessarily, I guess, work in a sense when you're trying to pair an image in a conferencing type environment and talk with somebody. The Horizon Interactive provides that DSA concept, and it's been proven in a lot of the integrations that we've recently done. This is a scalable product. We do it with multitude systems, as you can see, multi-display, including matrix walls and other integrations. But that's it.
So we're back at the second section here of Leon's booth, and I want to introduce you to two new pieces. I'm here live with Bryn Morrison, our senior technologist. We're going to introduce you to the Edge Media Frame and the Odo. It's the first of its kind powered soundbar from Leon Speakers. Bryn, if you would you talk to us a little bit about what's new and what's going on with the Odo?
Sure, yeah. The Odo is new for 2014, and the goal here was to bring an electronic speaker to the market. So this speaker is based on the Horizon platform, features 50 watts per channel using active technology. Specifically, the control panel here utilizes DSP to enable custom frequency curves at every single volume increment, giving us a tremendous amount of audio output for such a small package.
Thank you, Bryn. The next thing we're going to talk about, and I will mention too, is just a note and a point of reference. Everything about Leon Speakers are completely customizable. The same can be said for the Odo soundbar. So the next piece which we wanted to talk about is the Edge Media Frame. This particular frame, and Bryn, if you'd help me pop this off here. This is a room refining complement to any space. Why? Because what it does is it completely conceals all sides of the TV, top and bottom. And Bryn, if you could share a little bit more about how these are built and how we've developed them and the purpose that they serve, that'd be helpful.
Sure. The goal here was to be able to take any TV location where you provided power and content and make a full system when you include the Odo. So for example, the back plate here enables you to mount the speaker robustly and the TV to the wall, and then take the edge frame itself, finish it in any paint color or any wood finish that you need, custom fit to the space, and then attach to the back frame very strong with the use of very strong magnets.
We appreciate you taking a look and listening to what's new at our booth here. We've got one more space we're going to see and then we'll check out. And we're here live for the last segment from Leon's booth. As I mentioned to you earlier, we're the designer and manufacturer of custom-tailored sound solutions for every commercial environment. The last thing, and one thing that we did not talk about, was the vision behind all of this. It's to mix art with audio and design with technology. And to that point, we have a final piece that we're showing here, which is the Dual Eclipse. Now, the Dual Eclipse features a custom and one-of-a-kind painting by our founder and visionary president, Noah Kaplan. This is Ghosts of Las Vegas, 1931. What you're seeing behind me is that the Dual Eclipse is slowly moving to conceal the display. Several of our featured products that we've got on site here at InfoComm 2014 are all about the concealment or the revealing of a TV at the push of a button. So thanks again. Thanks so much for staying with us and learning more about Leon Speakers and our custom sound solutions. You can find us on the web at www.leoncommercialsound.com. We look forward to working with you. Thanks so much.